Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram vanish mode not working. First of all, what you have to do is open your Instagram and open the inbox of any person on Instagram. Now once it's opened, simply what you have to do is click anywhere on the inbox and swipe up with your finger. And it will open your disappearing mode. And to turn off your disappearing mode, what you have to do is swipe up once again and it will turn off disappearing mode. But what if the disappearing mode is not activating for you for some reason? So what you can do is first of all open your Google Play Store or your App Store on your iPhone or Android and then search for Instagram and check if any update is available for Instagram or not. If there is any update available, simply click on update application, and after update check again if the problem is fixed or not. But if the problem is still not fixed, then what you can do is, if your account is set to the professional mode, then it may be a chance and it may be a cause that's why the disappearing mode is not working for you. And another thing is that if the person you're chatting with, for instance in my case, if this person has turned on professional mode on his account, then I won't be able to turn on disappearing mode in the inbox of his account. And another thing that you have to keep in mind, that if you are not following the other person, that might be a cause that you're not being able to turn on the disappearing messages. You can check all the factors. If everything is fine, then you will be successfully able to turn on disappearing message on Instagram. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.